Good day everyone. For today's video, we are going to convert fraction to decimal. Example of that, 1/4 is equal to 0.25. So from 1/4, we're going to convert that and we will turn it into 0.725. So how can it be? So 1/4, okay, let me use color black pen. So that 1/4, wait, I'm just going to fix my tablet. So this 1/4 will turn into 4 divided by 1. So how many 4 do we have in 1? Of course, it's not possible. So we may need the help of a decimal point and then add 0. So it's going to be 10. How many 4 do we have in 10? So there are 2 because 2 times 4 is 8. Then simply subtract 10 minus 8 is 2. And we are going to divide it continuously until the remainder becomes 0. So since it's not yet 0, we add more 0 here, bring down 0, and then let's divide. How many 4 do we have in 20? So there are 5. 5 times 4 is 20. So therefore, that is 0. The remainder is already 0. Therefore, we can say that 1/4 is 25 hundredths or 0.25 in decimal. Let's proceed to the next example. So in the next example, we're going to convert 2 and 3/4 into decimal. So we will have the fraction part, which is the 3 over 4, and we will just write or bring down that whole number 2. So 3 over 4, converting this into decimal, it will turn into 4 divided by 3. Then we will proceed to the next step as what we have done before. So how many 4 do we have in 3? So it's impossible. So we may need the help of decimal point and then add 0. How many 4s do we have in 30? So there are 7. Because 7 times 4 is 28. Let's subtract 30 minus 28. We will get 2. So add 0, then bring down 0. How many 4 do we have in 20? There are 5. 5 times 4 is 20. So therefore, since the remainder is 0, we can say that 3 over 4 is 0.75 or 0.75. That's the same. Okay? And then 2 and 3/4 now is the same with 2, and then just copy the 0.75 or 0.75. So again, this is the whole number 2, and since 3/4 is the same with 0.75, so just write it there. It's 0.75. So the final answer is 2.75. Let's have the last example. It's 7 over 50. So there is no whole number there, just divide it continuously. But when the where the divisor is 50, or that's the number outside the division symbol, and then the numerator 7 will become the dividend. So how many do we have? How many 50s do we have in 7? So it's impossible. So just put the decimal point there and then add 0. So how many 50 do we have in 70? There is only 1. Then 1 times 50 is 50. Then subtract. So that's going to be 20. Then how many 50s do we have in 20? So add 0 and we will have 4 because 4 times 50 is 200. And so the remainder is now 0. Therefore, we can say that 7 over 50 is equal to 0.14 or 14 hundredths. Okay, so that's all for today. Bye.